Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yadidia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 22nd of June 2022. It's a Wednesday, and I'm gonna do a trade recap on Oxy. So let's start with the Camarilla levels. We have a higher value day. We have S3 above R3 from the previous day. So S3 yesterday was 54.87, R3 was 56.44, S3 is now 57.25, and R3 is now at 58.52. So we have a higher value there, and we're looking for, with this thesis, we're supposed to be looking for longs because it's a higher value day. We're looking for higher value. So the thing about today is we're gapping down right in the pre-market. So we gapped down, we didn't even open in the mid-range of the Camarillas, which would be good for like a retest of S3 to buy at support and take a long position and just let it run up. So we're having price action is rejecting the higher value, right? So when that kind of price action formulates in a high value day, we're looking for a retest of like a S4 level or S5, or even if it gaps down a lot and like it's really weak, we'll look for the S6 retest, right? So let's see. My thesis was, let me make this a little bigger. I know some of y'all are, most of y'all are looking at it on your phone, but you should probably look at it on a bigger screen. Like if you have a monitor, computer monitor or something like that, it'll be easier to see what I'm talking about, So we had this push down in the pre-market. Price was looking weak. We gapped down in the pre-market. This was the high right here, and after that we just sold off into the open, right? So I was looking for something like a retest of maybe S6 or S5, and when the market opened, we had this kind of indecision candle which rejected before it even got to upper VWAP, which is this red line. We rejected and we closed just on VWAP, but we had this big push down, right? So we already broke pre-market lows and we pushed down, right? So I didn't jump in on the first 5 minutes. I was waiting to see what the candle would do, and then we had this open right here. We pushed up, rejected again. So this is what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for rejections of S6 or S5, and at the open we're getting the rejection at S6, which is suggesting it's weak, right? So I took the short at the break of VWAP, and price pulled back on me, so I stopped out at break even. So that was the first trade, and then on the second trade where we lost VWAP again, I waited. I didn't even take it go short right here at the break of VWAP. I waited a little bit to kind of break this level right here of this price action. So we broke it, and I went short right here. Let's see. I added to the position on the break of lower VWAP, right? So price pushed down, then it pulled back on me again. So I'm looking at it like this is looking choppy, it's looking like another red day is about to materialize, you know what I'm saying? So I saw the rejection here on the next candle at upper VWAP again, so I thought, okay, it's still alright. So added another size to the position, another share size to the position on the break of VWAP again, and almost the same level where it's breaking this level right here, right? So added to the position again, and then after that we just got this support wick right here at lower VWAP. We reclaim VWAP, closed above it, and then we just broke out, so had to stop out, right? So we broke above upper VWAP, which is suggesting like, you know, it's going long for sure now, you know what I'm saying? So said, so done. We ran up. So right now your boy is on a losing streak, right? So couple videos ago, probably a week and a half, 2 weeks, I was on a winning streak, but I have some new rules that I'm implementing. Like previously, I would have probably still be trading and revenge trading and over trading to try and make back this money that I lost, but I gotta stick to these trading rules, man, and they're kicking my ass, man. Like, I don't know, man, I'm a little frustrated, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta understand some, like, the trading psychology is important, right? I shouldn't be frustrated with a loss, because all of this is not really bad trading. It's just that it did not work out in my favor, right? Because all of this here is showing rejection in it's like I explained before. We have a higher value day on the Camarullas. Price is weak in the pre-market. We're pushing down. So we're looking for price to get back to a level at the open and then flush, right? And what's happening here is that we got faked out with these wicks. So I just got to take that loss, understand what it is. It's a probabilities game, and I'm going to lose sometime, right? Even though I try and follow the rules of the game, it's still a probability game. You know what I'm saying? So even if your setup is perfect, it's still a probability that you could lose. So right now I'm in the losing probability sector of things, I guess, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm only human, man, so it starts to affect you in a certain way where you start thinking like, damn, I can't do this, you know what I'm saying? But I've proven that I could do this before, but now I'm being a little more strict in my rules, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta take this loss. It's a 1-point-R loss again today, which is good risk management. Usually sometimes I used to take like some big losses and some big wins, right? So I gotta cut that out. I gotta bring it down to where I'm treating it like a business, right? Where I take a certain amount of risk. Like, risk is not unlimited. I can't have unlimited risk. I can't just be trading to try and make back this money now and possibly even make the loss greater. So I'm just reining in myself, and I have to accept these red days is gonna come, and it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we'll be back. You know, I'm gonna bounce back, drop some video recaps where you see I do great and all that, but right now it's just I'm going through the trader cycle, you know what I'm saying? And I'm in the red cycle right now, man. Alright, y'all, it's King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.